Prime Minister Narendra Modi, during a meeting to review the Indo-Pak Indus Water Treaty on Monday, said that blood and water cannot flow at the same time. The high-level review meeting was held in the wake of sustained cross-border attacks, including the Uri terror strike. India will exercise its rights under the Indus Water Treaty to its fullest extent.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday chaired a meeting to review the Indus Water Treaty with Pakistan amidst heightened tension between the two countries. National Security Advisor Ajit Doval, Foreign Secretary S. Jaishankar, the Water Resources Secretary and senior PMO officials were present during the meeting. The review is being undertaken as India weighs options to give a befitting response to Pakistan in wake of the Uri attack that left 18 soldiers martyred.
The preamble of the treaty itself says it's based on goodwill. So for such a treaty to work, it is important that there must be mutual trust and mutual cooperation between both the sides. It cannot be a one-sided.
And after a deadly Uri attack by Pakistani terrorists, there have been calls to abrogate the Indus Water Treaty. Although the two countries have been managing to share the waters without major dispute, experts say that the agreement is one of the most lopsided, with India being allowed to use only 20% of the six-river Indus water system. And given the fact that treaty is a bilateral one, India can always look at a revision.
Provisions in the treaty which allow us to use those provisions in a way that increases pressure on Pakistan legitimately and legally, because we have full rights on the use of the three rivers.
क्योंकि आज तक दुनिया ने कोई ट्रांस नेशनल रिवर्स के ऊपर लॉ नहीं बनाया है, सो हम अपने आप को धोखे में डाल रहे हैं अगर हम सोच रहे हैं कि हम कोई इंटरनेशनल लॉ वायलेट करेंगे इंडस वाटर ट्रीटी के रिवीजन से.
The Indus Water Treaty was signed by the then Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru and the Pakistani President Ayub Khan in September 1960. The treaty involves sharing of waters of six rivers: Beas, Ravi, Satluj, Indus, Chenab and Jhelum. As per the provisions of the treaty signed in 1960, India has the control over eastern rivers of Beas, Ravi, Satluj, rivers which flow from Punjab. India could use the waters of western rivers only in a non-consumptive manner. Pakistan controls western rivers Indus, Chenab and Jhelum, which flow from the state of Jammu and Kashmir. India is looking at isolating Pakistan both at international level and at regional level. Rethinking on the most favored nation status to Pakistan and revision of the Indus Water Treaty are options in front of India. And the fact that Prime Minister chaired a high-level meeting on the Indus water issue sends a strong signal to Islamabad. With camera person Rakesh, Siddhant Subul, DD News, New Delhi.